Barricade bag. Everybody's got their own preference for Barricade bags. I use the ColeTac Tricorn. I have filled this with sand, so when you get all the ColeTac bags come filled with light polymer. If you wanted to take your CZ457 hunting, you might not want a really heavy bag. The light polymer fill might suit you better. I have recently filled this full of sharp sand, so sharp building sand, just to provide a nice heavy sort of solid platform that will mould to the barricades. I've also waxed the bag as well to try and make it a little bit more grippy, but that seems to be working quite well for me.
Don't score back there.
The three little peaks on here help to mould onto the top of tank traps or barricades, whatever is thrown at me, basically, barrels, etc. You can use it whichever way round you want. So that's Barricade bag. Because the chassis that I'm looking at putting on there has a Arca rail on there, I've got a ColeTac backbone Arca plate, and also a ColeTac flat bag. So this has got the light polymer fill. As you can see, it's really light. I don't know whether you can see weight, but there you go. You can see that this is light. Makes sense in my head. Anyway, but so you've got an Arca plate that goes on top of the bag, and then you've got these Velcro straps. You just pull them round, and that will mount the backbone frame. Again, it's got 4. I'm not going to do all 4 because I'll be there all day, but you mount all 4 of them on there, and then that can easily slide onto your Arca rail, and you've got this little swivel knob, so quick release, so it slides on and slides off super easily.